Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Blender with your scene open. You want immediate feedback, so switch to Solid or Look Dev shading now. Next, decide whether you need Viewport background or render film color. These live in different panels. For Viewport UI and 3D View background, use preferences right arrow themes or 3D Viewport overlays. For render visible background, use properties right arrow render properties right arrow film. Once done, make sure you can see the change in real time by rotating the view and toggling shading modes. Now change the actual background color depending on method. Use preferences right arrow themes right arrow 3D view for UI level gradients. Adjust top and bottom colors and set influence to control mix. If you want scene accurate lighting or an H-dry, open properties right arrow world and pick color or environment texture. For quick previews, use the Viewport shading popover. Under background, choose color, gradient, or world to switch behaviors. Make sure to toggle between solid and render preview so you catch differences caused by world lighting versus viewport-only colors. Finish by saving your changes. World settings live in the blend, so save the file, while theme edits are global in preferences. If you don't see the background, confirm Viewport overlays aren't hiding it, check clipping and camera settings, and ensure you aren't in camera view with a transparent film enabled. If colors still misbehave, reset preferences or append a working world from another file. One troubleshooting tip: enable render preview briefly to verify whether the world or viewport color is in effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.